Hello everyone, it's Terry here again. For today's project, I am sharing a card that I created using the new My Favorite Things Bubbly birthday stamp set. So let's get started. Okay, so if you haven't seen the stamp set, here's a closer look at it. And I believe it's still available in the shop. I will link everything down below if you're interested. This stamp set is just so cute. It has 3 little birthday mermaids. So for the technique I wanted to use today is the no line coloring, and I wanted to use that with watercolors. So going in with my Fawn Ink Pad, I stamped that onto watercolor paper. I stamped that on twice to get a good impression. And once the ink has dried, I went in with some of my colored markers and started to color in the image. Here I will go ahead and speed up the coloring process just a little bit and add in some music, and I will also leave a time above just in case you're not interested in the coloring process. You can go ahead and skip that part. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. know that was a lot of coloring, but I know some of you enjoyed the process, so I wanted to include everything in there. Okay, so after everything has dried, I ran that through my die cutting machine with a rectangle die that I have in my stash. So now going in with my anti-static powder tool, I apply that over the card panel. Then using Versamark ink, I apply that onto the sentiment and stamp that onto the bottom portion of the card panel. Then going in with gold embossing powder, I apply that over the stamped sentiment and heat emboss that with my heat gun. And of course, for extra details, I like to go in with my white gel pen and add little highlights here and there. Now to complete the card, I adhere that to a top folding card base. And the card is now complete. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.